16 is a natural number following 15 and preceding 17. 16 is a composite number and a square number too. But one thing you already knew about 16 is that it's now the age of you. 16 is the atomic number of sulfur. It's a minimum age for getting an adult job. It's a minimum age for getting a license in the USA. Greg Biffle drives car 16, the NASCAR Sprint Series. Group 16 on the periodic table is Chalka Jones. The current Roman Catholic Pope is Pope Benedict XVI. We don't really care 'cause we're atheists. 16 is the fourth power to 16mm film is a movie format. There are 16 ounces in a pound. Caterpillars have 16 legs. There are 16 pawns in a chess set. 16 pieces of chocolate stacked 2 by 2 by 4. Again, not that you care. In the story of Sleeping Beauty, a spell is placed on the princess, so when she reaches her 16th birthday, she will prick her finger and die. The Old Testament has 16 prophets, and then there's a New Testament with their 16 apostles and evangelists. But again, we don't care. Now there's songs out there called 16 by Green Day, no doubt, and Demon Hunter, so this song has to have a really original name. And you're 16.